Okay, I'm getting a little better at this now, and I'm feeling more comfortable. And what do you get over here? Well, plus or minus the factors of 8, that's the constant, divided by the coefficient on the x cubed term, the factors of that are just 1. So you get 1, 2, 4, and 8. All right? Now, kind of looking at it, you know, 1's not going to cut it, right? Because you get 1 minus 18 plus 8. Minus 1 is definitely not going to cut it. 2, well, let's see, 2 would give you 8. That's not going to cut it either. Now, you might think minus 2 is going to cut it. That's not going to cut it either. So I'm on to the 4. And 4 is a little more challenging for me. So I'm going to put the f of 4 down. Well, 4 would give you 64. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Minus, well, 8 times 4 is going to be 40 and 32, which is going to be 72, plus 8. Right, what do you get there? Well, 64 and 8 is 72, so this definitely gives you a 0. So what do I now know? I know that if 4 is a root, x minus 4 is a factor. And then the question is, how do you get the other factor? You divide. So it's going to be x minus 4 divided into x cubed. I'm going to put plus 0x squared minus 18x plus 8. You don't need to put the 0x squared down there, but some students do. Let's go through this. That would be x squared. Subtract. I like to drop all the places down. Repeat until you get to the edge, and you're hoping for a remainder of 0. Otherwise, there's got to be an error somewhere. So plus 4x. That's 4x squared. And then you're going to get, let's see, minus 16x. Subtract, you get minus 2x plus 8 minus 2. That would give you minus 2x plus 8. You get 0. So what do you get over here? We get x squared plus 4x minus 2. And again, looking at the quadratic, it's not going to factor using my fingers. All right, there's no other rational roots. There's only one rational root. All right, so we'll learn later on how to get these other guys. But right now, this is my answer. I want to go to the key and point out in the key you'll see this. All right, you'll see the x minus 4, x squared plus 4x minus 2. I also want to point out I list the candidate rational roots. I talk about x equals 4 as being a root. I talk about x minus 4 being a factor. And I talk about the long division. All right, all that stuff is written down. Hopefully the key is making sense to you, but it only makes sense to well-prepared students. I want to remind you again, my name is Ron Bannon, and if for whatever reason you need to reach out to me, my email address is B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. All right? So if you do reach out to me, I will do my best to respond to you. However, if I'm overwhelmed, I will not be able to respond to you. Thank you.